Hey everyone, welcome to my How to Knit series. In this video, I'll show you how to bind off your knitting project. To do this, start your row off as normal by knitting the first 2 stitches. Then, take your left hand needle and insert it into the first stitch you knitted and slip it up and over the second stitch and off the needle, leaving only 1 stitch on the right hand needle. Then knit 1 more stitch, so you again have 2 stitches on your right hand needle. Take your left hand needle and insert it into the bottom stitch on the needle, slipping it up over the second stitch and off the right hand needle. Knit the next stitch as normal. Take your left hand needle, slip it into the bottom stitch, and then move it up and over the second stitch and off the needle. Continue doing this until the end of the row, knitting 1 stitch and then slipping the bottom stitch up and over the top stitch and off the needle until you get to the end of the row. Once you get to the end, you're just going to knit the last stitch, slip the bottom stitch over the top stitch and off the needle, and then take a pair of scissors, cut the yarn, leaving a few inches of tail, and then pull your right hand needle out, making the loop a bit bigger. Take your tail and pass it through the stitch and tighten it, making sure it's nice and tight so it won't come undone. And that is how you bind off in knitting. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you'd like me to cover in future videos, and I'll see you next week. Bye!